Welcome back to RB Healthy Zone, your go to channel for health tips, workouts, and healthy lifestyles. Today, we're diving into 6 essential fitness tips for beginners to speed up your journey. So, let's get started. Number 1 is that set realistic goals. It's critical to set realistic and achievable goals. Start small and gradually increase your targets. This keeps you motivated and on track. Number two is that warm up properly. Never skip your warm up, it's prepare your body for the workout, reduces the risk of injury and improves performance. Number three, mix up your workouts. Don't stick to just one type of exercises. Mixing up your workouts keeps things interesting and works different muscles groups. Number four, stay hydrated. Hydration is key to optimal performance. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts to stay energized and avoid cramps. Number 5. Focus on form. Proper form prevents injuries and ensure you are getting the most out of your exercises. If you are unsure, seek guidance from your professionals. Number 6 and very important tip is rest and recovery. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Your body needs time to recover and build muscles. Ensure you get enough sleep and take rest days seriously. Incorporating these tips into your routine, you will be on the way to achieving your fitness goals faster. Remember, consistency is the key. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to RB Healthy Zone for more fitness content. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.